Hey y'all, let's make some Halloween earrings. How cute is this gonna be? Okay, if you want a slowed down version of all of my supplies, I will have a video linked in the description below, so be sure to check that out. So I've got my eye pin here, it's a 2-inch long eye pin. I'm going to slip my acrylic bead on there to 12 millimeter, and then my silicone focal. Okay, these ones I don't really need to cut any extra off, so we're just going to twirl it down to make like another little eye on this side to put our ear wire on. I will have all my supplies and everything in the description below. I think I've already said that. I don't know, but it'll be down there. Okay. For my ear wires here, I want to make sure that the ends are fully closed, so I'm going to give those just a little clamp. These are 5 millimeter jump rings. Get a hold of it here. Just spread it open, slip the earring on, wire on, and give it a close. Same with the other one here. Go. Put them on the card here so you can see them a little better. And how cute are these? Super cute and easy, fun Halloween earrings. These are one of my favorite focal beads right now for Halloween. Just so super cute ghosts. But yeah, that's it for this one. If you have any questions, just holler at me. And as always, thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and leave me a comment. And until next time, see ya.